Officially 4 weeks postpartum, so let's start doing some farm chores again. I gotta feed and water these guys. I have my little assistant. I haven't been out here, like I said, a month. I don't know where the scooper went, so that didn't go as planned. I normally keep a bottle brush out here and I don't see it, so I had to go to the Dollar Tree today so I can clean these, but they need water, so, but at least everyone was watered and fed at some point, right? All the way in. Why is it almost 90 degrees in October?